Wish you forgive me for living like this. Wish you forgive me for living like this.
Yo. Oh my God, ain't she so? Let me see what y'all looking at. Oh, whoa. She's sexy. Oh my God, girl. God, look at that tire looking all shiny so. What you do to that? Oh my God, that's tire shot. Oh shit. God damn. Hey y'all, so my baby back. I better head on this call. Let me just start by saying, right? Go after your dream 110%. Like 110%. Like the last few days been hard for me, but I thugged it out a little bit. To the people who got my little mood swings, y'all thugged it out with me. But yeah, man, just know like this shit is not easy, y'all. Like this shit is not easy, man. Like I done been through every emotion with this shit. Oh my God, she's so sexy. Yo, can I get 2 black ice? Yeah, the car freshener. But yeah, y'all. Huh? What? They be like 125. Oh man, you slipping, man. It's like, nah, just messing with you. Just messing with you. Yeah, man. Y'all gotta understand that this shit. Oh shit, let me get my fuel before I overfill fucking with him. Hey. Oh. Almost finished. Oh shit. Fucking fuel on my. That's why you're supposed to wear gloves, man. God damn it. Shit. I'ma cut right here, y'all. That just blew me. I got diesel on my hand. I hate smelling like diesel. I hate running around smelling like a fucking gas station, man. God damn it. But yeah, man. I'ma tap in with y'all when I get to this call. It's supposed to be a BMW with a flat tire. I'll have to pull up on her in a little bit. She said she left the key. I love it when y'all leave the key, man. Just leave the key. Oh my God, you cranking, Sean. But yeah, I'ma tap in with y'all when I reach. Alright, y'all, so customer left the key like I was saying. Should be in the cup holder, so it's just a flat tire. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just back up a little bit so that the truck could get in front of it and load it. She already pulled it in a safe location, so it's not really too hectic, but it's still in a bad spot. Nothing that we can't handle. Alright, let's get it hooked up. Right. Nice car, BMW 330i xDrive 2020.
On speed, can't lock the one you have. You don't need no permit fi fuck me. She said, really need a love for you. Me rather you just come and take it from me. Mommy.
Yeah, shit. Like I was saying, it's a BMW. I'm not really a fan of BMW. I keep telling y'all I'm a Mercedes kind of guy. I mean, BMWs look nice. They sure do look nice. But it's just something about a Mercedes. That should be good right there. Alright, y'all, so I gotta take this one to the dealership. Shouldn't be too bad. It's a simple hook and book. Supposed to have a, like I said, it had a flat tire, so I know with these they usually take them to the dealership and deal with the tire, but the tire looked pretty solid to me. But she stressed on the phone. She was like, I'm 7 months pregnant, so I couldn't wait, which is understandable. I like unattended toes. I don't know how to say this, but I don't like dealing with people. That's kind of sort of the nicest way to put it, but yeah, man. Sometimes I'll prefer all these sensors, man. All these sensors be having me think I'm about to hit something or something. Chill out. God damn it. Shit. That should be scaring me, man. Like, god damn. You having me I'm about to hit something on every angle or some shit. That shit be fucking me up, man. Yeah, I gotta chill with all these sensors, man. That shit is uncalled for. Oh shit, man. That shit is uncalled for, man. Strap. I'm gonna strap off for it. But yeah, man, all them sensors, man, like, really? Like, what's all that for? Shit. I mean, not what's it for. Oh, sorry. Not what's it for, but how many sensors do you need? Like, sheesh. This the culprit right here. This the flat tire. But one thing about BMW, Audi, and all of them foreign cars, they come with them run flat tires, so you could drive a nice distance. She actually probably could have made it home, but hey, if you don't feel safe, you don't feel safe. Just call me or one of my tow brothers. We definitely gonna come get you. Definitely gonna come get you. Yeah, man, this the return. Cause I've been down for 5 days, so I'm kind of hungry right now. I'm about to kind of accept everything I can get. You know, sometimes you try to be picky and pick what you want to do, but I don't think I'm in the position for that right now. I need some monies. Some money. When the cars drive, man, it just makes my job so much easier. Easier to just hook it up and go on about your business. Alright, come on, car. Feel safe when you go past. But yeah, I'm gonna tap in with y'all when I reach the drop-off destination. Let me concentrate on driving.